But it is so cruel. What is happening is as soon as they exit the courtroom and they go towards the elevator or the exit of whatever the immigration building is, these men in masks are apprehending them. Of course, they're from ICE, from the Department of Homeland Security, the Immigration Customs Enforcement, and they are arresting them, putting them in handcuffs, and taking them away to a detention facility and putting them again in removal proceedings, but this time in what we called expedited proceedings, where a judge does not have to decide their case at all. This is really awful. I mean, I've heard stories of people being detained in front of their family, their kids. Of course, this is so cruel because initially you think you're safe, you're free, but then this horrible reality happens that you are being detained with honestly very little option to be able to get released in the future. There are strong directives right now, it seems, from ICE to keep these people detained until really they get removed from the country. If you're in this situation where you have a master calendar hearing coming up, I highly recommend you go represented. What the strategy here would be is to at least oppose the motion to dismiss, which is completely contradictory to what I would have done in the past. But we want to be able to at least keep the removal in that kind of proceeding so that we can then appeal. If the judge grants the motion to dismiss despite our opposition, we can at least appeal the motion. Please reach out to us and let us know if you are in this situation and you have a master calendar hearing coming up. We can help. What is also happening is at USCIS, there are people who are going in for their interviews, let's say marriage-based interviews, and they have an unknown removal order on their case, which before was something that would happen, but the consequences were not as detrimental because at least the person was not getting detained. But the same thing is happening at USCIS where people are also getting detained on the spot. So please, before you file an application with USCIS, make sure you're doing a FOIA. Do not hesitate to reach out and book a consultation. And it's really important to be informed more than ever. So do seek counsel on your immigration cases, and doing everything pro se might be actually riskier right now than it used to be.